This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm thrilled to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to be playing some songs together, jamming, you, me, and the band, using the chords, the newer chords we've been working on right now in the lesson series. So the F, the B flat, and the C7 chords. Those are our main focus chords right now in the lesson series. It's going to be super fun. This video does accompany lesson 11 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. So if you have that book, turn to pages 69 and 70. We're going to be playing the songs that are on those pages together. Now with these songs, we're going to use the strumming pattern that is assigned to each one. With number 8, we're using a 3/4 time strumming pattern, one that we're really familiar with. Down, down, up, down, up. This song's in 3/4 time, My Country 'Tis of Thee. With this one, it gets a little bit tricky. There's places with 2 chords per measure and even 3 chords per measure. So when that second chord falls on beat 2, then we play the down on the first chord and the down, up on the second chord. If the second chord falls on beat 3, we play down, down, up on the first chord, and then the down, up on that final chord. So for example, if we were to practice this just a little bit, going back and forth between F and B flat. So you have the F chord and the B flat chord. If the B flat came in on beat 2, I'd have down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And you could practice that as much as you need to. If that B flat came in on beat 3, we'd have down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So that's how that sort of thing will work. Now with My Country 'Tis of Thee, there is one place where we have 3 chords per measure. That's the second to last bar. We have B flat, F, and C7. B flat, F, and C7. Now you can choose to just do a down strum for each one of these, but otherwise we would have down on B flat, down up on F, and down up on C7. So that one will work. So that's just a little bit of a help there. With Waltzing Matilda, lots of places with 2 chords per bar, but we are using just the down, down, up, down, down, up strumming pattern. Then when we go over to Rockin' Robin, number 10, on page 70, it's a little bit with the roadmap that we need help with here. Pretty easy on the down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern that we're familiar with. And the chords have 1 chord per bar, lots of space to stretch out on those chords, nice and easy. But the roadmap of this song is a little bit tricky unless you're familiar with this sort of thing. It does explain at the bottom of the page how to play through it, but I'm going to walk us through the concepts here of a couple things. First, a first ending and a second ending. We're familiar with repeat, so we know with the little repeat signs that you go back to the ones facing the other direction. Or if you run into a repeat sign and there never is one facing the other direction, then we just go back to the top of the song. And that's how it works there with Rockin' Robin. But with first and second endings, as we play through, the first time we play the measures that have the 1 in the line over them. It can be more than 1 measure, but just here I have 1 measure. Then after you repeat on the second time, you skip that and go to where you find the second ending. And you can actually have multiple endings. You could have 2 or 3 times on that first ending, or 2 or 3 times. Even on a fourth ending, you could have 2 and 4 times. You can have multiple times, but you use the times as it says. So with this song, we just have a first time and a second time. Then as we go on, we find to this spot that says DC al coda. DC means di capo, from the top. So we go back to the top and it says, then we're going to take the coda. So we go back to the top and we play to the spot that says to coda. Then we jump to the spot marked coda and play it out from there. You could alternatively have something that says DS. It's back to the sign, and there might be a little S sort of looking sign instead of DC, but this one's a DC, di capo. So again, you go through the endings sort of as it specifies. It's really easy here, just first ending and second ending. Sometimes there will be more directions to it. For example, you could have something that says first and third, second and fourth, or 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on a 1, 2, 3, you go through 1, 2, 3, and then this would be the fourth ending, that sort of thing. It's pretty easy. Well, if it's like 1 and 3 and 2 and 4, there's going to be repeats somewhere else. If this was a repeat instead of da capo, for example, we would go 1 and then the second time take here, and then if this sent us back to repeat, we'd go back and do the third time and then the fourth time, that sort of thing. So you can see more numbers up here indicating that, but we just have a first ending and a second ending. We have that da capo that takes us back to the top. We play to the end of the measure where it says coda, and then we jump to the coda. It's usually marked by the little bullseye kind of sign, and it may have the word coda there. It does on that page. Okay, so that's how we'll be playing that one. It's going to be super fun. Each one of these is going to happen at 2 tempos, a slower tempo and a faster tempo, and we're just going to go ahead and jam together on these. You can use any exercises we've used previously to warm up if you need to. And with these songs, we're basically sticking to the F, B flat, and C7, but anytime we run into a chord that's less familiar to us, that we haven't played for a little while, there is that review sheet in the back, that reference sheet that can help you know how to play any of the chords that you can't remember. Okay, it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and jam together on these songs. My country, 'tis a great sweet land of liberty, of the sea, land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrims ride, from every mountainside, let freedom be. My country, 'tis a wee sweet land of liberty, of the sea, land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrims ride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring. Once a jolly swagman camped up by a billabong, under the shade of a cool lip tree, and he sang as he sat and waited while his billy boiled. Oh, come a waltzing Matilda with me, waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda, you'll come a waltzing Matilda with me. And he sang as he sat and waited while his billy boiled. Oh, come a waltzing Matilda with me. Once a jolly swagman camped up by a billabong, under the shade of a cool lip tree, and he sang as he sat and waited while his billy boiled. Oh, come a waltzing Matilda with me, waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda, you'll come a waltzing Matilda with me. And he sang as he sat
taught him how to do the bop, and it was grand. They started going steady, and bless my soul, he out-bopped the buzzard and the Oreo. He rocks in the treetop all the day long, hopping and a-bopping and a-singing his song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin going tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Whoa, rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. He rocks in the treetop all the day long, hopping and a-bopping and a-singing his song. All the little birds of Jaybird Street love to hear the robin going tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Blow rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little bird in the tall oak tree, the wise old owl, the big black crow, flapping their wings, singing go bird go. Rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Whoa, rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight. A pretty little raven at the bird bandstand taught him how to do the bop, and it was grand. They started going steady, and bless my soul, he out-bopped the buzzard and the Oreo. He rocks in the treetop all the day long, hopping and a-bopping and a-singing his song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin going tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, tweet. Whoa, rockin' robin, 'cause we're really gonna rock tonight.
Okay, awesome. I hope you are having fun with this, starting to get the bar chords down. It's a little bit tricky. Of course, we're going to continue to work on them for a while. In the next video, we're going to start lesson 12. So we're going to learn some more bar chords in lesson 12. It's going to be great. Take care. I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.